Now we'll move to the next set. Now before moving to the next set, whatever it is given in page number 4, the example to construct a triangle given the two sides and the angle included by them. So this you will be writing in your notebook along with the steps. 3 steps are there. So that you will no need to write what is given in the bracket. You can draw this and you have to write the steps. In a similar way you will be doing for this also, which is given in page number 5. To construct a triangle given the two angles and the included side. So how many steps are there? 3 steps are there. So this also you will be writing in your notebook. Now we'll move to the next. So that is set 4. It is there. First it is said in SAT AT is equal to 6.4, A is equal to 45 degree and T is equal to 105. Now base is equal to 6.4. I'll just draw on the rough diagram. Then A is a 45 degrees, so that is it is an acute angle, and T is 105, so that means it is an obtuse angle. And what will be the up at the vertex? It will come S, so that is SAT. Now using this measurement we'll just draw the triangle. Now how it will come as, just take 6.4. so here I'll take 6.4. take this as 6.4. then afterwards it is said that how much it is A is equal to 45 degree. So with this take 45 degree, between 40 and 50 that line it is there, so that is 45 degree. So here it is 45. Here you write as AT, which is given as 6.4. then here this is 45 degree. Just extend the line because T is equal to obtuse angle. So what is that? This is 45 degree. Now T is equal to 105 degree, so that means it is an obtuse angle. So the arms of this angle will be moving away. So it is 105. So between 100 and 110. So this is 105. So now we have to extend the line because the two rays should meet each other. Extend the line. Now here it is coming. Now from here it is there, so here just meeting each other. So now this is 45 and this is how much? This is 105 degree. 105 degree this is. And what is there at the vertex? S. So S. So like this you will be drawing the triangle. So this is in the set 4. Okay, so this is set 4. Now we'll move to the next. It is what it is given in MNP. NP is equal to 5.2. Now once again we will draw the rough diagram. So what is the rough diagram? So it is given as NP is equal to 5.2. So just draw the rough diagram. So this is NP, which is given as 5.2. This is question number 2. Then N is equal to 70 degrees. So both are the acute angle. So this it is 70 degree and P, so that is 40 degree. So here it will be P as 40 degree. And here it is M. So like this, with this measurement we will draw. So first you have to draw. So that is NP. So that is 5.2. So draw this NP. So this is how much? 5.2 centimeter. Then afterwards N is equal to 70 degree. So here it is coming as 70 degree. So just draw this 70 degree. Then P is equal to 40 degree. So the arms will be inside, it will come, not obtuse angle. So this side it will come, it will become inwards. So this is 40 degree here. Now join it. So this is what? This is here it is M and this is 70 degree and this is 40 degree. So with this we finish with the second sum. Now come to the third sum. Now in the third sum it is said EG is equal to 6 centimeter. So base it is given. So here it will come as EG, which is 6 centimeter. Now here F it is given. Here G it is given as 45 degree. G is equal to how much? This is 45 degree. So that means this will be an acute angle. Now the measure of E, it is not given. Now you may be knowing the properties of the triangle. What is the property of the triangle? The sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we will just write that is measure angle E plus measure angle G and plus measure angle F is equal to how much? 180 degree. You have to find what is E. You don't know what is E. So here it is measure angle E, you don't know. Then measure angle G, it is equal to given as 45 degree. Then what is given? F is equal to given as 65 degree. So that is 180 degree. Okay. Now then measure angle E will be, what is 45 plus 65? So that is 110. So that, and then you take 110 this side. So what will be 180 minus 110? So you will get as 70 degree. So like this you will be finding. So now we got measure angle E as 70 degree. Now with the help of this D, 70 degree it is coming as this side. So just join the rays. So here it is. So this is 70 degree and here it will come as F. So like this you have to find if this is necessary. E was the E you should know, but E is, it is not given. What it is given? F it is given. So using the property of the triangle you can do this sum. Now the same activity it is being asked in page number 5. It is said in ABC, A is 60 degree, B is 40 and AC it is 6. Can you draw? Now it is said what further information is required before it can be drawn, which property can be used. So whatever it is I have just explained you, in the same way it will be. Now what it is there, it is asked, it is, so what is the base given? Base given is AC. So here it is AC is the base given. It is given as 6 centimeter. Measure angle A is 60 degree. So this it is a measure angle A which will be 60 degree. Now measure angle C, it is not given. Now using the same property, what property? So that is measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now you know A, you know B, you know, but you don't know the C. Your measurement it is given. So that is 60 plus 40 plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 40 it is what? 100. 100 plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree. So measure angle C will be 180 minus 100. So what it will be coming as? It will come as 70 degree. So then you will take C as how much? As 70 degree and you will draw the triangle. So this is an activity. It is said use your brain power. So which property you will use? Property of the triangle. Sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So like this you will be doing the sum in your notebook. Use your brain power.